Ragokinia chitalanta asa abana bake hanamuna se Chigosori cy'umupira bw'amagoro niko bono eligi y'abana bo ABAKE yachakira senchira ya bena se county ya MACHAKO za se chitimu gwetane 40 cyanyarko bakikuye arigania bunenjire mu yogo cya kugendera kwene ky'abana bungukinia bari chitalanta cyabo na nemono chingake kiga cy'umutumo iga umutambe bwerusa.
We have begun the FKF Youth Elite League officially with under 13, under 15 and under 17, which is happening at Machakos Showground, and the rest is happening here at Kenyatta Stadium, Machakos. The reason why we have begun this league is to really identify and nurture talents right from grassroots, right from the right age. And I want to thank the coaches, I want to thank the parents for giving their children permission to come and showcase their talents.
Ni watoi nimeanza na wao sasa ni mwaka ya pili. Ni watoi wamekuwa wakijikaza sana, wanapenda kucheza ball. So tumeona tuwapatie hiyo platform wajirekebishe kimakosa, tuwarekebishe pia. Alafu tuone mali tutapeleka hiyo talanta yao.
Every kick, every pass, every goal is a score to our young ones. And at the end of the day, we'll have a success story of having young referees, young coaches, and young TMs. And they all come from these boys and girls. So parents is very important. We encourage this. And through our Excellency, Governor Vinya, she has encouraged us to make sure we pull up and make sure we put our kids on tours, especially now we are on vacation.
Nachezea Kataloni FC. Today tulikuwa na game mbili. Ya kwanza ilikuwa Kataloni versus Olympus, tumetoka 2-0. And the second game we had with Vatican, tumetoka 1-0.
I'm a player from Mbuni Express Soccer Academy located in Machakos. We have come here today to nurture our skills and to develop our talents. Today we've played 5 games in each category, in all categories combined.